Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best ZT150 Mulching Kit is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Cub Cadet ZT150 owner looking to elevate their lawn care game, transforming clippings into nutrient-rich mulch that nourishes your grass, promoting a healthier and more vibrant lawn with less effort and a cleaner finish. This kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with your ZT150 mower, ensuring optimal performance and a professional-looking result every time you mow, making it a worthwhile investment for serious lawn enthusiasts. Number 5. UDC Parts 6-Point Star Mower Blades for Cub Cadet. Introducing our premium 6-Point Star Mower Blades, designed to deliver exceptional cutting performance. These blades offer a precise fit for many popular mower models. Ensure you have the correct center hole pattern before ordering. These blades feature a 6-point star mounting pattern, specifically designed to replace OEM part number 942-05052A. Our blades are compatible with a range of Cub Cadet, Troy-Bilt, and Craftsman 50-inch mower decks. Please verify your specific model for a perfect match. Crafted for durability, these blades are built to last. They provide a clean and efficient cut, keeping your lawn looking its best season after season. With their standard dimensions and 6-point star center hole, installation is straightforward. Enjoy a hassle-free replacement and get back to mowing in no time. Choose UDC parts for reliable mower blade replacements. We are committed to providing high-quality parts that meet or exceed OEM specifications. What we like. If you need a reliable replacement for your Cub Cadet or compatible mower, these blades are a great choice. They feature a 6-point star design for a secure fit on specific models. Choose these if you're looking for a direct OEM replacement that maintains mulching performance. What people say. These turned leaves and small twigs to dust. The normal blades I have used just chop and leave me running multi-times over the same area. These were a one and done. Sturdy blades that left a nice uniform cut after the first use. No vibrations felt while mowing, so I guess they're well balanced. No clumping, no bogging down of the mower when going through the heavy stuff, just smooth sailing. Blades came with a little putty knife and, it would appear, a little bit lubricant, which I didn't use. But, I was impressed enough to order 2 more pairs. With great blades selling at this price, I figure I'll just start each season with a new pair under the mower. To take the mystery out of which side goes up, these blades are stamped into the steel, grass side down. Number 4. TRAC Seats USA Suspension Kit for Zero-Turn Mowers. Experience a remarkably smooth and comfortable ride with our premium seat suspension kit. Designed for superior comfort, it transforms your mowing experience. Please verify this kit fits your specific mower model before purchasing. While we aim for broad compatibility, it's your responsibility to ensure a proper fit. Contact us if you need assistance. Installation is straightforward, with the mounts fitting between your seat and sliding rails. Spacers might be needed on certain models to ensure clearance for the safety switch. Crafted with quality and durability in mind, this suspension kit is proudly made in the USA. Invest in a product built to withstand the demands of your work. Upgrade your zero-turn mower with this essential suspension kit. It's designed to significantly reduce vibrations and enhance overall operator comfort, making long hours more manageable. We stand behind the quality of our products. This suspension kit is engineered for performance and longevity, ensuring you get the most out of your equipment. What we like. For those seeking a more comfortable mowing experience, this suspension kit is ideal. It mounts between your seat and rails to absorb vibrations and bumps. If you spend long hours on your mower and want to reduce fatigue, consider this upgrade for a smoother ride. What people say. The mulching kit works great and I have no grass clippings on my lawn. This mulching kit works very well and does a great job of mulching the grass clippings. Number 3. 810 Spindle High Lift Blade Kit for Cub Cadet MTD 50-inch. Introducing the 810 Spindle High Lift Blade Kit, designed to enhance your mower's cutting capabilities. This kit is engineered for superior performance and a cleaner cut every time. Specifically designed to be compatible with a wide range of Cub Cadet and MTD models. Ensure a seamless fit with OEM part numbers like 618-06980 and 942-05052A. This kit includes a durable spindle with a 6-7-8-inch height and a 5-inch pulley diameter. The high lift blade measures 17.5–16 inches in length for optimal grass clipping. Perfectly suited for 50-inch mower decks on models such as the Cub Cadet ZT, LX50 and MTD G8200. Experience a professional finish with this essential upgrade. With a 6-point star center hole and 5/8-foot UNF thread, installation is straightforward. Get back to mowing with improved efficiency and a beautifully manicured lawn. Crafted with robust materials, this kit is built to last. It offers reliable performance season after season, making it a smart investment for your lawn care. What we like. If your mower's cutting performance has been lacking or you need to replace both spindles and blades, this kit is a comprehensive solution. It includes high-lift blades designed for efficient cutting and mulching. Opt for this if you're looking for an all-in-one upgrade for your 50-inch deck. What people say. The spindles and blades were a perfect fit, and I love how the spindles have grease fittings. The blades seem very heavy-duty and did good on my test cut. Put the new blades and one of the new spindles on, mower cuts better now than when it was new. The high-lift blades do a really nice, smooth job on my lawn. So much better than what the mower came with, took me about 45 minutes to replace the originals. Very easy to do, and now I don't have to buy $80 pattern blades, I can use the common star blades. Number 2. 810 LawnRAZOR Mower Blade Set for Cub Cadet 50-inch. Introducing the 810 LawnRAZOR Mower Blade Set, designed for a superior mulching experience. This set is engineered for optimal performance and a clean cut every time. Specifically designed to be compatible with Cub Cadet 50-inch cut decks. It seamlessly integrates with your existing equipment for a hassle-free upgrade. This set directly replaces the OEM part number 942-05067, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable function. You can trust it to perform just like the original, if not better. Experience a noticeable improvement in cutting consistency with these blades. They are crafted to deliver an even and precise cut across your entire lawn. With a blade length of 17.5–16 inches and a width of 2.38 inches, these blades are precision engineered. The 0.1875-inch thickness ensures durability and effective mulching. Featuring a 6-point star center hole, this design ensures secure and stable mounting to your mower deck. This provides enhanced safety and efficiency during operation. What we like. This set is specifically designed for mulching, providing a cleaner cut and finer clippings. If your priority is to return nutrients to your lawn and achieve a manicured look, these blades are an excellent option. Choose them if you want to enhance your mower's mulching capabilities. What people say. Once sharpened, they cut very well. My yard looks like Fenway Park. These 810 blades was a true fit and the quality was beyond OEM. They are heavy built with good thickness and they perform awesome with a nice finish of your grass. These fit perfectly on a 2020 Cub Cadet ZT1 with fabricated deck. Cut is much better than OEM blades that came with Mulch Kit. Number 1. Cub Cadet Mulch Plug Assembly. Upgrade your Cub Cadet mower with this essential mulch plug assembly. It's designed to help you achieve a cleaner, more manicured lawn finish. Ensure optimal performance and compatibility with this genuine Cub Cadet OEM part. It's the perfect replacement for your existing mulch plug. This assembly carries the Cub Cadet part number 631-05195A. It directly replaces the older part number 631-05195. Specifically engineered to fit Cub Cadet models equipped with 42-inch and 46-inch decks. It's ideal for mulch kit applications. This mulch plug is compatible with Cub Cadet models such as 19A70041 and 19B30005. It ensures a perfect fit for your specific mower. Installing this mulch plug is straightforward, allowing you to quickly benefit from its mulching capabilities. Enjoy a hassle-free upgrade. What we like. If you're looking to convert your Cub Cadet mower to a mulching setup, this OEM mulch plug is the perfect accessory. It's designed for a precise fit on 42 and 46 decks, ensuring efficient mulching. Select this if you want a genuine part for optimal mulching performance and easy integration. What people say. It fits like a dream on my 42 cut Cub Cadet. Installed correctly, it fits perfect and does its job. Works fine and stays placed without set items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.